Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this Intel Core i9-13900K unlocked CPU for my new PC build on a beautiful box. Wow, nice unboxing experience. Intel, I like the case. Manual. If you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, you're going to find out all about this product, how you can install at your motherboard. Intel Core i9 sticker, you can have it at your PC case. I like the texture. Just rotate, unlock. There is the CPU, protected very well at this case. So small, but yet so powerful. "24 cores, 32 threads, 8 performance cores, 16 efficient cores with max turbo frequency 5.8 GHz with 36 MB Intel Smart Cards. It is a very popular among the PC builders. Since I am a content creator, I need processing power. For my new PC build, I have decided to use this CPU. This is one of the parts for my new PC, so stay tuned, more are coming with a final video of the PC build. The cost is 560 euros. It is a performance CPU, very powerful. So until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.